Looking to buy hosting or hosting, then you are the perfect place, because in this video I'm going to tell you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get as much as up to 91% discount and a special discount link which is mentioned in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive discounting, you will be landed over here where you can see Hostinger turn one day into day one. And this is a perfect company which I've been using from the last 4 to 5 years, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I'm recommending you Hostinger. So if you want to buy, you can directly go start now over here after clicking the link in the description and move on to the plans over here. Or if you want me to scroll, let's discuss regarding few of the things. The first thing is their Trustpilot reviews. If you look around on the Trustpilot reviews, you can see around over here, they got 59,555 reviews. Almost all of the reviews are perfect reviews, amazing, everyone appreciate them, and this is one of the reasons, which is why I convinced regarding Hostinger. Another thing is all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, which is a perfect amazing thing. Scroll below, these are the reviews. Hostinger is being recommended on all of these famous websites on the internet, and you can create your websites within minutes through their powerful website builder, which is just perfect to create your own websites. Scroll below, Hostinger also supports WordPress. So if your website is on WordPress, you can simply build your website with Hostinger within few minutes. You can also migrate to Hostinger. So if you are coming from another hosting company, they have a perfect system to shift all of your website, that too free of cost. Hostinger Horizon is just amazing. You just have to give the command, it's automatically going to create a website. Scroll below, 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. Scroll below, and these are the plans which again you can move over here and simply select the start now, and you can land on these plans. All of these plans are perfect plans, but I recommend you to do a thorough research. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 91% right now. So look around over here, or even more. So look around over here, 85% is right now you're getting the discount, plus 10% I'm going to give you more. So 85 plus up to 10%. Imagine getting up to 95% off. So it's not 91 but 95%, making it a perfect plan for you. So 85% over here, but I recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features before you select any plan by going to view all features. But let's say going with a premium plan, simply select the choose plan over here. Make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal. I recommend you to make sure to click on the link in the description for this perfect deals. You need to click on the link. And once you select the choose plan, you may see around over here, you are being landed over here. Now the biggest New Year sales is running right now over here, which is valid on 48 months. My recommendation, go with the 48 months so you can save up to 95% off with this perfect plan. So you can get a free domain over here by writing it. For instance, if I wanted to get this domain right now, that free domain is valid for the first year only. So I'm going to get it for the first year. I'm going to give you an example. Again, you can also get it later from your account as well, control panel. After this, you will see around your total over here, and you're getting 3 months extra free, that too free of cost, free domain for the first year, plus 10% additional code. So you can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link once you apply over here. So you see you got 10% additional on 91%. So 91% over here, you are saving 623 to 85, 85%, 85% over here, plus 10% over here, is making it 95% off. So make sure to click on the link in the description. And after this, simply select the continue over here. 30 days money back guarantee is valid, and you may be asked to log into your account. So I'm now logged in into the account. I can see the order summary over here. You can see the coupon code is applied. You just have to write your billing details over here and simply select the continue over here. Write your billing details, simply select the continue and move on to the last part, and that is selecting your payment method. Hostinger offers you variety payment method, guys. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay. You have option of CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose to pay your payment. The 48 months is recommended to get the maximum amount of discount. You're getting 3 months extra free domain plus additional 10%. So making it up to 95% off if you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I told you. So I hope you like this amazing perfect deal from Hostinger. So this is the best time to avail this deal. Good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck. Make sure to click on the link in the description. Good luck.